How to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram. If you think someone else has access to your account or is logged in on another device, there are two ways to remove them. The first method is by changing your password. The second method is by manually logging out unwanted devices. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. In the top right corner, tap on the three-line menu and reach Settings and Activity. At the top of the Settings page, tap on Account Center. Now, find the option called Password and Security and tap on it. The first way to remove someone is to change your password. If you change your password, Instagram will log out all devices except the one you're using. To do this, tap on Change Password and follow the instructions. Once you set a new password, anyone who has logged into your account will be signed out. If you prefer to log out specific devices instead of changing your password, you can do that by selecting Where you're logged in under the Security Check section. This will show a list of all devices where your Instagram account is currently active. To remove a device, tap on it, then tap Log Out. If there are multiple devices you don't recognize, repeat this process for each one. That's how to see hidden tagged posts on Instagram.